Hello friends, a very good morning. Welcome to Morning News Watch Show. Friends, as usual, today I have got with me almost all the leading newspapers you can see in my hand: Samaj, Sambad, Dharitri, Pragatibadi, Odisha Express, Pramay. And let us go to the headlines. Almost all the newspapers today, they have prominently published the news item about the untimely death, sad demise of Irfan Khan, the versatile Bollywood actor who passed away yesterday at the age of 53. And they have paid rich tribute to the actor. Secondly, the other news item that has been prominently published in all the newspapers, that is Chief Minister's warning to the people that unless we observe or unless we strictly adhere to the lockdown norms, then there is every possibility the disease will assume serious proportion in Odisha. If 10 people don't adhere to this lockdown norms, then it has every possibility it will affect almost all the 100% people. And this warning has almost found place in all the newspapers. And other news item that has also been published very prominently, that is the collapse of Suktal river bridge, in which two people were killed. And the newspapers have highlighted the fact that this bridge was constructed just a couple of years ago, and a couple of other 3 years ago, and the contractor who had completed it was awarded because of completing the project ahead of this schedule. But and this speaks the quality of the work that is being undertaken. And newspapers and the newspapers have quoted the different people who have sought action against the contractor. And other newspapers other newspapers headlines include आक्रांतको संख्या 125, सुस्थ होले 39. It means that the number of COVID affected persons in Odisha has gone up to 125, while the recovery is the number of recovery is 39. And another Nitidin has highlighted about the center's permission to different states with regard to return of migrant Odia workers stuck or stranded in other states. And the newspaper has highlighted that the center has asked the states to coordinate among themselves for return of the respective migrant workers. So, and another news item that has been published, that Bhanga of Besarkari barricade. As you know that in several places across the state, villagers, they have been raising barricades at the entry points of their village, and the government has said all these barricades are illegal, and these barricades will be removed, and the state government will raise or construct its own barricades. So these are the morning major newspaper headlines. And if you see other headlines, another news item also has got prominently published. Another national news item rather said, that is the Desar Mrityu Sankhya Hazar Pira. This news is about that the number of COVID-19 casualties in the state has surpassed 1,000 mark, and it is a very serious concern. And another news item that has been prominently published, that is Laguchap Bangopsagar, that the Bangopasagara Muha. It means that the low pressure that is it's now concentrated over the Bay of Bengal, and with its impact, the state of Odisha will witness heavy rains and nor'easters in the coming 4 days. So these are the major headlines in Odia vernacular daily. And tomorrow again I will come with in morning newspaper headlines. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching this show.